Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello, future engineers and subscribers and viewers. Here is another video on calculus for you to prepare in engineering. So determine whether the curve is the graph of a function of x. If it is, state the domain and range of the function. So here's the first curve. Now, remember the graph of functions. Its graph should not be intercepted by a vertical line by more than 1 point. So since if you draw a line, the graph is intercepted at more than 1 point. In particular, in this part here, we can intersect it with 3 points. Therefore, this is not a function. So the answer, not a function of x. So for the next graph, so by the vertical line test, then this time the graph is intercepted only by a vertical line at 1 point. So therefore, this is a function. So let us now state its domain. The domain is the set of all admissible values of the independent variable, which is x. So it begins at this point and ends at that point there. So therefore, the domain is -1, -2, -3, -4. This is a solid dot, so including this point. So it begins with the close interval -4 and ends with +1, +2. So the domain is the close interval -4 to +2. So yes, it is a graph of a function and the domain is -4, 2. While the range is, we have to combine the union of the range because there is a gap here in this part. So it is -1, -2, -3. So negative close interval -3. This is an open dot. 1, 2, 3. -1, -3 to -2. So close interval -3 to open parenthesis -2, close bracket -3 to -2, then open parenthesis, union with close bracket -1 to the highest value is +4. So this is +4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the range is the union of close bracket -3 to -2, then open parenthesis, that's parenthesis, union with close bracket -1 to +4. So the range, close bracket -3, comma -2, then this is a parenthesis because -2 is not included, union with of close bracket -4, -1 to +4, because that's +4. I hope that you understood the explanation here for the domain and the range. Now, for the next problem, if f of x is 3x squared minus x plus 2, find f of 2, f of -2, f of a, f of -a, f of a plus 1, 2 times f of a, f of 2a, f of a squared, then quantity f of a squared, and f of a plus h. So for the first part, f of 2, we just substitute 2 for x. So it is 3 times 2 square minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, 3 times 2 square 12 minus 2 10 plus 2 12. So f of 2 is 12. F of negative 2, so 3 times negative 2 square minus quantity negative 2 plus 2. So 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. So f of negative 2 is 16. F of a is, we simply replace x by a. So f of a is 3 times a square minus a plus 2. So it is equal to 3a square minus a plus 2. Then f of negative a is 3 times negative a quantity square minus quantity negative a plus 2. So it is 3a square plus a plus 2. F of a plus 1, we replace x by a plus 1. So it is 3 times quantity a plus 1 square minus quantity a plus 1 plus 2. So simplifying, this is 3 times a square, 3 times quantity a square plus 2a plus 1. Recall algebra, minus a minus 1 plus 2. So this is 3a square plus 6a plus 3 minus a, then plus 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So 3a square plus 6a plus 3 minus a plus 1. Combining like terms, so this is 3a square plus 5a plus 4. So 3a square plus 5a plus 4. That's f of a plus 1. Then 2 times f of a. So we already evaluated f of a, which is 3a square minus a plus 2. So all you have to do is we just multiply this by 2. So 2 times f of a is equal to 2 times quantity 3a square minus a plus 2. So the result is 2 times f of a is 6a square minus 2a plus 4. So 6a square minus 2a plus 4. Next is f of 2a. So it is 3 times 2a quantity square minus quantity 2a plus 2. So this is 12a square minus 2a plus 2. Then f of a square, so 3 times quantity a square square minus quantity a square plus 2. So simplifying, that's 12, that's 3a to the fourth minus a square plus 2. 3a to the fourth minus a square plus 2. Then quantity f of a square, so this is f of a, we just square this expression. So it is quantity 3a square minus a plus 2 square. And remember from algebra, for 3 terms that are squared, it is first squared of each term. So 3a square quantity square plus negative a quantity square plus 2 quantity square, then plus twice the product of the first and the second term, plus twice the product of the first and the last term, third term, plus twice the product of the second and the third term. So this is quantity 3a square square plus quantity negative a square plus 2 square, then plus 2 times quantity 3a square times negative a. So plus 2 times quantity 3a square times negative a plus 2 times quantity 3a square times 2 and plus 2 times quantity negative a times 2. So simplifying, this is 9a to the fourth plus a square plus 4 minus 6a cubed plus 12a square minus 4a. That's it. Then we combine like terms, f of a, then quantity f of a square is 9a to the fourth plus minus 6a cubed, then plus 13a squared minus 4a plus 4. So final answer, 9a to the fourth minus 6a cubed plus 13a squared minus 4a plus 4. That's it. Then for the last part, f of a plus h, so it is equal to 3 times quantity a plus h squared minus quantity a plus h plus 2. So this is 3 times quantity a squared plus 2ah plus h squared, then minus a minus h plus 2. Simplifying, we have f of a plus h is 3a squared plus 6ah plus 3h squared minus a minus h plus 2. So that's it, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you learn from this video, necessary and important for your engineering preparations.